Hello, guys. Good day, everybody. Adilola Shukoya once again. So, today it's good to be back. We'll be looking at the market again. My apology for last week. I couldn't put up a video because I was out of town. So, but we continue from where we stop. So, moving forward, we'll be looking at what the market, like we normally do, what the market, I'll be anticipating what market will do. Next week I'm prepared. Like I always say, as a trader, you want to always prepare for the market at the close of the market. On weekends like this, you want to do your back testing, um, normal, and also look at the way the market has performed, the previous week in anticipation for what will happen for the following week. And like I always say, you are not trying to predict the market. We are only trying to follow price. Having said that, so let's look at what DXY has been doing. If you look at the DXY, which is the dollar index, I think 2 weeks ago when the last time I uploaded a video, I was saying that I think I also put out a message on my Telegram group and my WhatsApp group that we bounced off from here. We saw this bounce off. That was 3 weeks ago. This candle. I'm on the weekly time frame right now, and if you remember that 2 weeks ago, we were talking about the fact that for dollar index, we've had price bounced off. Price has been ranging between this zone and this zone. All right. So, and then we'll be having lower high forming after forming this high, it created a lower high, signifying that price is bearish, and then it's been falling ever since. But then it came down to 103, and then we see dollar index form a support, right? So what that tells you is that price has created a support around there, just like the same pattern that we have around somewhere around there. The price do this, created a support around it, and then boom, and then took out this high, right, to form a new high. So from year to year now becomes our new swing structure. If you see my basic market structure, you understand what I'm saying. If I'm not saying it, I'll put the link somewhere around this video, so maybe you can go watch it. So we took out this and then form a new high. So from year to year become our new swing structure. Then we came down, and now we are creating what looks like another support around there, which is around 103. So if this support holds, we might have price do this, take out this high again. All right. However, if this support doesn't hold, price will come and test this new support. All right. If you look at what we had on the weekly time frame, we have market, form, the support. And this past week, price didn't come near this area. All right. I'm looking forward to this week. Actually, we're going to be having a very major news, the FOMC meeting, where interest rate will be determined, and then the interest rate also will be determined before the NFP. So this week is loaded actually. On Wednesday, there will be FOMC. On Friday, there will be non-farm payroll. So it's a loaded week. So if you ask me, for FOMC, we're not going to see too many change because I don't think they'll be cutting interest rate yet. And interest rate is likely to remain the same. And if that happens, we might see the dollar, depending on also the report of the inflation report also for the week, we might likely see the dollar, become stronger a little bit. All right. But there's more anticipation that there will be interest rate cut by September. So which is going to likely to weaken the dollar. But for now, like I said, until we take out 103.6, I'm still bullish on the dollar index, right? I would say that let's see what gold has been doing. Remember last 2 weeks, for last week on Monday, and I called for sell because of the way gold closed. Although gold is bullish, don't forget on this channel I've been saying that an opportunity for a pullback for gold is an opportunity to buy. If you ask me, I'm praying that gold should really, really pull back, because when you have a bullish asset like this, you want it to pull back to a zone where you can easily take another buy. Imagine if gold comes all the way to this spot. Let's say we have something that looks like this. I'm just saying, maybe it comes to 2,100, 155. This is a very good spot to be anticipating that continuation for that bullish move. So I'm actually anticipating that we have a pullback. But then for now, looking at the chart, apart from anticipating, looking at what the chart has been telling us, you can notice that if you pay attention, you notice that we've been bouncing off from there. We create a support, and then we create a higher, a higher high and then there's a rejection. So I'm expecting price to come back and test this area, this zone. If you look at this, this is my paper trading account. I actually placed a sell. I think I put it here. I've not forgotten. So it came down all the way and it's going back up. So right now I'm anticipating that the way price closed this week for gold, I'm anticipating that price should push further to the downside. Like I said, however, we have FOMC this week, so which is going to be a major detail. FOMC and Northern Pay on Friday. This new week that we're about to enter. As you can see, there's a bounce up from here, but I expect that price. I expect more pressure to come to the downside to come and take the support. If not, the price will likely take out the side. But if you ask me, like I said, if I want to be biased because I trade gold a lot, I'm praying that price should actually pull back very well so that there'll be a better opportunity to jump on a buy and follow the trend to the upside. I haven't said that if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and also like. And also, if you have not joined my Telegram group, I'll be dropping the link in the description below. We have a Telegram channel. I'm sure you join us. I haven't said that. So let's see what currency is doing right now. So right now, on pounds USD, also I posted a signal over the week, which was last week after the close of this candle, that the opportunity to sell, and I actually shared that trade with people on the Telegram channel. I took a sell right about here. I held that trade for some couple of days before I closed that trade. All right. So, but right now, I'm expecting price to still pull further down, because if you look at the weekly time frame, like I said, we seems to still be looking at price pulling further down from this swing structure to this area, to the 50% retracement, or further into the 50% retracement. So I'll be looking for opportunity to actually sell, to be selling pounds this week. We might have something that looks like this. We already are what looks like price already broke this resistance. All right, these are resistance that look like resistance to support. If you notice that price bounces off here some couple of times before we broke in, so now this support that was broken now becomes a new resistance, right? That is trading 101. So I expect price to do this, to come back to this resistance and then continue to the downside. All right, before we probably move to the upside. Right now, pound USD is bullish, but we're having a pullback at the moment. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, actually, you understand what I'm saying, that we have a swing structure from here to here, from this zone to this zone. If I put my fib retracement level, see that we are close to the 50% retracement. So, but then I expect price to push down to the downside. All right. So let's see what EURUSD is doing. EURUSD as well is creating the same structure. We already broken into this support. If you look at it, we're already broken. So I expect price to push further down to come and form a support before we continue the upside. All right. So moving forward, like I said, if you look at the weekly time frame also for EURUSD, you see that we are bearish. So price, I'm expecting price to push further down before we continue to the upside. So moving forward, lastly, I don't want this video to be too long. So for pounds JPY, for so long, JPY has been the JPY pairs has been I've been very, very bullish. If you look at the weekly time frame, I mean, for the most part, since last year, I mean, we've been super bullish. This was we started this moving. Actually, this was in 2020, right? So for like 4 years, pounds JPY, as you can see, super bullish, and it's still bullish. So, but we're having a pullback, which I'm loving. Like I always say, if you have an instrument like this that is bullish or that is bearish, since we are looking at GJ, I want to talk about, if you have an instrument like this that is bearish, that is bullish, that is super bullish like this, as a trader, you want to, especially if you did not hold your position since when price has been this bullish, you want to look for an opportunity for price to pull back. All right. So you want price to pull back, and so that there will be an opportunity for us to buy. I think this is a very good this is LD for GJ. I am expecting to push further down. If this support is violated, the next support is around 190. All right. where price is coming is going to test, you know, where we are going to have around there, sorry, 189, and between 189 and 190, where we are going to have price test to see if it's going to hold. But right now we are still sitting on 197. If this is taken out, another zone is around 189. So if you look at the daily time frame, like I said, we are sitting on that region around 196. Going to the 4-hour time frame as well, so you can see we are still sitting on that price region. All right, so like I said, I expect if price keep pushing further down and we'll take out 195, our next zone will be 190. All right, so have a beautiful trading week. If you have not subscribed to the channel, ensure you do so. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.